The Legend of Steel. The NSV 12.7mm caliber machine gun, also known as Utos, designed in 1968-1970 by Grigory Nikitin, Yuri Sokolov, Vladimir Volkov. NSV Utos. Place of origin, Uralsk, the Kazakh Soviet Socialist Republic. In service since 1972. The heavy machine gun NSV 12.7 Utos was developed at the Tula Central Design and Research Bureau in 1970. A new plant, Medalist, was built in the Kazakh Soviet Socialist Republic city of Uralsk for the production of SNV. The production gathered Soviet Union's best specialists in small arms. Workers and designers came to Uralsk from Kuybyshev, Tula, Izhevsk, Leningrad, Moscow, Kirov, and Kovrov. They were the founders of the production and design culture of the Medalist plant. The first machine gun was produced in 1972. During the years of production, the specialists of the plant created their own unique school of gunsmiths who preserved the tradition of quality and exceptional reliability of the Utos machine gun in modern conditions. Today, the West Kazakhstan Machine Building Company's Design Bureau introduces new technologies and original developments using technologies never used in the production of small arms. The machine gun is designed to hit lightly armored ground, sea, and air targets, as well as firing points, anti-tank weapons, and group live targets at ranges up to 2,000 meters. The SNV 12.7 is a universal weapon that can be used in tanks, armored vehicles, helicopters, motorboats, cars, and for arming. A simple trigger mechanism assembled in a separate housing and allowing shooting only in automatic mode. Many moving parts are equipped with rollers that reduce friction and wear. The connection of the valve and the gas outlet piston with the gate frame is carried out by hinges. Practically has no recoil. The scope sight is mounted on the tripod, not on the machine gun, which allows seeing the hits and adjusting the shooting without being distracted from the aiming line. Reliability and unpretentiousness of the legendary Utos. Numerous armies agree that the machine gun works reliably even at the most tolerable conditions for a person with a heat of 50 degrees in sand and mud, and the servicemen from Malaysia noted its incredible reliability during the tropical downpours. During its production, Utos has undergone several thousands of modernization improvements, which made it even more reliable and easy to operate. High quality is ensured by optimal selection of technology, barrel processing using electrochemical method. Technology of high-speed jet chrome plating provides thickness of up to 2,000 microns. Hydrogen displacement from the deposited chromium in a vacuum furnace followed by a vacuum tempering to dehydrate the chrome surface. Reliability is provided by additional coatings, chrome and cadmium. These technological solutions allow using a machine gun in any climatic region of the world and in difficult and natural conditions. The technological capacities of the plant allow manufacturing all the details of the machine gun and the devices for mounting it on any type of a vehicle, as well as the whole cutting, measuring, testing tools, and all the elements of equipment for the production of machine gun and tripod. The plant has created an accredited testing center for the control of physical, chemical properties of metal, metrology to check the reliability of fire capabilities and control all materials used to manufacture products. It can also test the machine guns and any rifle systems in caliber up to 30 millimeters. The workshop conditions where Utos is manufactured. Every detail and its manufacture technology as well as specialist skills are important. The barrel of a machine gun helps to maintain a high pace and accuracy of fire. The guaranteed resource of the gun barrel is 10,000 shots. The barrel of the machine gun has a welded riveted design that allows withstanding heavy loads while firing, ensuring serviceability at minimum weight. Utos is designed for a 12.7 by 108 mm cartridge. A metal link belt 6L19 consists of 10 cartridges. The infantry loading case has 5 links for 50 cartridges, transport 1 for 100 cartridges, and tank loading case for 150 cartridges. The design of the machine allows using optical scope produced in Russia and Belarus. When firing, the scope is stationary, but is very convenient for monitoring the results of shooting and adjusting the machine gun. The original design provides almost 100% less recoil. This affects accuracy with a free guidance mechanism. It gives a guaranteed target hit with a minimum number of shots. The modular design of the machine and the quick-release barrel allow the machine gun to be transported in parts to hard-to-reach areas. Unique features of the Utos are about the simplicity of its design and trouble-free operation in severe field conditions. In its class, the machine gun is light in weight. Combat crew consists of 2 people. Shooting from a heavy machine gun with an optical scope is conducted in short bursts of 2 to 3 shots that ensure effectiveness of targets at a distance of up to 2,000 meters. Machine guns NSVP, NSVT Utos are designed for the destruction of lightly armored vehicles and live enemy forces at a distance of up to 2,000 meters, of low-flying objects up to 1,500 meters. Armor penetration of a machine gun at 400 meters is 16mm armor plates. Today, the West Kazakhstan Machine Building Company produces unique weapon systems for various vehicles of the Utos machine gun. These are tanks, ships, boats, combat modules, armored vehicles, and vehicles with increased cross-country. Traditions of production, quality control, high-tech, modern management. These are the components of success of the West Kazakhstan Machine Building Company. The Utos machine gun is reliable, unpretentious, and easy to handle. It is a power in the hands of a man. in the name of peace.